Faculty, staff, community members, and politicians all joined together November 2nd to celebrate the official completion of Phase 1 in the development of CLEAN, the Center for Leadership in Environmental Education. To commemorate the completion, guest speakers such as Brennan McLean from Endurance Wind Power, Gary Sorrell from ATEC Energy, and our Governor Martin O'Malley joined us to celebrate the completion of our first step toward the completion of CLEAN.
Chesapeake College has added new degree and certificate programs and offered solar voltaic installation and other training programs. Our vision for the future is that these activities and more will be located in the Center for Leadership in Environmental Education, or CLEAN. The center will be a LEED Platinum facility with classrooms and labs that will model multiple forms of renewable energy and sustainable design. But we decided to make the wind turbine Phase 1 of CLEAN for two reasons. First, it's practical, already providing energy to the higher education center. Secondly, it's symbolic, which is why we planned for it to be visible from Route 50.
This is an industry that a lot of people aren't familiar with. It's really in its infancy. It's growing very, very rapidly. Sales last year grew by 50%. The people that install the machines, build foundations, do the electrical work, maintain these machines for their 20 to 30-year lifespan. These are all specialized trades and specialized people, and they need education.
Through the efforts of our project team and with cooperation from our subcontractors, we were able to bring this project in under budget. I'd like to present a check for $10,000 to Chesapeake College to be used to further their vision for the Center of Leadership in Environmental Education.
To create jobs, a modern economy requires modern investments. It also requires leadership. It also requires vision. And Barbara, I thank you for your leadership and your vision. Our country rates #1 in the world in innovation. Our greatest challenges are not primarily financial, nor are they technological. They're really a question of will. The greatest privilege we have in our short time on this planet is to make the world a better place for the next generation. A place that's cleaner, a place that's healthier, a place where jobs and opportunities are expanding. And that's what this innovation economy and these actions are really all about. Thank you all so very, very much for your leadership.
After the presentations, a ribbon-cutting ceremony was held, where Governor O'Malley invited the students and children in the crowd to join in. Once the ribbon was cut, the first step toward a new environmental learning center on the Eastern Shore was officially completed. Afterwards, the governor stayed for pictures with the crowd and spoke with community members. Local media was there covering the event. In mid-September, Atlantic Tractor and ATEC Energy teamed together to construct the wind turbine, and since its completion, the turbine has been supplementing the electrical needs of the higher education center. In addition to easing energy needs in the near future, the wind turbine will also serve as an educational tool for the community. As we move forward toward a greener economy, the Center for Leadership in Environmental Education will provide training in a variety of sustainable energy technologies, including wind, solar, and geothermal power.